Hi, regarding the size of the penis, we can uh, categorize in two ways. Type 1 is shower penis, type 2 is grower penis. Shower penis is around 20% of the people they have. The size is bigger without erection. During erection, around 20%, 30% erection increase in the size. In grower penis, it is very small without erection. When it gets erect, it will erect around 80%. 80% of the people they have grower penis. So, but most of the people they worry about their size of the penis in rest. In ordinary times, the penis is a pipe to pass urine, that's all. There is no other importance for that. During erection, they should have full erection and it should be hard. So, most of the people they are much worried about the size of the penis. Size of the penis can be increased by number one, hormones. If there is a hormone problem, like prolactin is high or testosterone is very low. From childhood onwards, testosterone is low due to undescended testes or testis is not growing normally in size or due to some other infections, mumps orchitis, something like that, some infection, some reason or genetic problem, Klinefelter syndrome. If the testosterone is very low, then size of the penis is also low. We can find out this and we can treat and we can make the penis normal. In other cases, we can try with medicine, we can try with the shockwave therapy, we can try with the pineal nerve stimulation. If it is not working out, we can go for surgeries. There are a lot of surgeries to enlarge the penis, taking graft and putting in the outer side of the penis. So many things. So many surgeries are there. Pioneers in this surgery, penile lengthening and breadth. Korean, they are pioneers in this field. They have come to Chennai and they have did a demo at Chennai conference, and we are doing a lot of cases now in Chennai. So penile size can be increased by many methods. Before that, we have to do basic assessment, find out the cause, then accordingly we have to treat. Penile lengthening is possible. First, find out the cause and treat. Thank you.